Okay, so in this video, we're going to go over how we post a image ad to our uh, Facebook ad account. So here we are in our page post. I'm just going to give you an example for this particular video. We're on all our fan pages are here for our Facebook account. We're in page posts. For this particular one, I'm going to use this this post here that was created for Deadpool fitness leggings. Okay, it's a pretty straightforward post. Let's see how it does. We're going to test it. So the first thing we do is, as you can see by the post, our logo's in the corner. We know that this is coming from the Daz Deals account. Whatever logo is in the corner of the image or the video that we're going to post is the ads account we're going to use to create the ad campaign. So from the corner on it, here we are in Business Manager. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is select Power Editor. Once we're in Power Editor, this is our advertising account, and as you can see, it's not Daz Deals, it's Super Savings, so we're going to change this to Daz Deals. This is the account we're working in for this particular example. Okay, so in this one, the first thing we're going to do with the image ad is we're going to just create a standard, straightforward website conversion ad. So we click Create Campaign. We go, let's give it a name, Deadpool leggings, and we'll call it CONV, which means conversion. Okay, traffic, we have to select conversions, and ad set name. Here's how I do it. We're going to go interest space. We always come out the gate targeting US traffic for a test, because right now we're going to test and see if anybody wants this. So we go US dash space 1. This is how we want to do it, and I'll explain this in a minute. Down below here in the ad name, I normally just copy the title and paste it in here. So now we've got campaign name, we have the campaign objective, which is conversions, and we have the ad name down here, and we have the ad set name here. Now for an image ad, when we come out testing, we're really only going to want to test 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 interests. But for this particular example, we're going to launch a product, we're going to test 1 interest and see what kind of feedback we get. So let's click create. Okay, we're in here. Now it brings us up. There's our campaign. This is our campaign name. All we need to do to go to the ad, this is the ad set level, this is the ad level. To go to the ad set level, we basically would click on the hyperlink and it will take us in there. You can see we've got interest US-1, and now we need to edit. Now to edit, we just need to bring the pencil over, which you can get it from here, or you can select it from over here. So if I select it here, it brings out the edit box. Okay, so as I said, we are going to always optimize for purchase on our ads. So we just type in purchase, you get Daz Deals pixel right there, purchase. Daily budget, for this particular one, I think we're going to start off with, let's go 15 bucks. We'll also sort out a budget and what you're going to launch them at then. Normally we would, because right now it's 2:53 Pacific, I'm on Pacific time, our account is on Pacific time, so we never set an ad campaign to start late in the day. If we can't get it out by 8 to 10 o'clock in the morning Pacific time, we have to launch it for the following day. So for here, we're also going to be April 4th, which is tomorrow. We're going to go 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. Just like that. Okay, we don't need an end date, and we don't have a custom audience. We leave this alone. We go down here, everyone in this location. We change this to people who live in this location. Our age group, I normally always start these off at 25. Seems that people, for some of our interests, And obviously for Deadpool, I'm not going to go any higher than like 54, but it doesn't really matter. You're not going to get that much traffic, but for higher than that, but always start them at 25 and let's go to 54. Don't figure anybody over 54 is going to be wearing Deadpool stuff, but sometimes you do get parents, so I'm going to take this up actually because sometimes parents buy things for their kids, so we'll go 64. On gender, for this particular product, I think it's more for women. It's like a legging. I don't see a lot of guys running around in these, so we select women. On the language, we always put English all. And this is where we come to our interest. Okay, one thing I need to point out, we're always targeting the United States. This is what we target here. And another big point here is when you're in our ads account, before you launch any ad campaigns whatsoever, always make sure you use BrowSec or a VPS or a VPN or something to say that you're in the United States, because there can be problems from being in other countries logging into Facebook accounts. Right, so we go down here. And we go to our interests. So for this interest, real simple. We're going to go Deadpool. Right here, 19 million. Okay, it's already got a big interest, so we're just going to go straight Deadpool, no brainer. We've got all these other different interests down here. Deadpool the movie, Marvel Comics. But right now, we just want the basic, as close as we can get to that product for testing, which is Deadpool. Okay, we're going to go like this. We'll leave it alone. We're going to go down here. We're going to go Edit Placement. And here, we want to go Mobile Only. And send this off to mobile. Okay, and specific devices, we're going to change that to only when connected to Wi-Fi. And the conversions are here. And we're going to leave this to 7-day click. For image ads, we leave a 7-day click. So we're going to go back to the top. Let me scroll down. We're going to take our Deadpool up in here. And there's our Deadpool US.1. That's why I always put interest. So later we go change it. We know the interest that we're targeting is Deadpool US and it's 1. Okay. So this is where we're at. We will now go down. If we click on our hyperlink here, it will take us to the ad level, which we have no ad. So again, we're in the ad level. We would either click the edit or we would click the pencil. So look, I'll show you. If you click edit, it will also bring the pencil thing across. Now we're going to go find our ad, which is on the Movie Shows and More fan page. Okay, and then we're going to click Select Existing Post. And then we're going to click right here. And we're going to pick up our Deadpool. And there's our ad right there. The ad is right there. And pretty much, as far as creating a image post, a straightforward image post against one interest, we're done. So all we would do now is click Review Changes, Deadpool Leggings Conversion, and we would click Apply, and it's going to upload it to our account. We just wait for it to upload. Let it finish. Changes have been applied. Click here. Now if we go over to our campaigns, we're going to see it. Deadpool Leggings Conversion right here, pending review. They're obviously going to review it, and then they're going to release it, and we'll be good to go. And that's it for this video.